Hello guys, it's me Elise, and in today's video I'll be teaching you guys how to fix WhatsApp voice message problem on iPhone. So without any further ado, let's get started. So the first thing what I want you to do is open up your settings application, and I want you to go to general to offload your application. So go to general, then click on iPhone storage. Then you can search for WhatsApp and then click on offload app. This will delete your application from your phone, but you can reinstall it again, and this should fix your WhatsApp voice message problem. If this doesn't work, then I want you to go to general back again and then click on background app refresh and turn the background app refresh on. And this should be on Wi-Fi and cellular data and not only on Wi-Fi. So this will also ensure that your WhatsApp voice message is working properly, and this is how you fix your WhatsApp voice problem. I hope you like this video, and if you have any questions or comments, please leave it on the drop box below. And if you have any other suggestions, then also comment on the comment down box below. And please be sure to like, share, and subscribe. It's me, Elise, signing off. I'll see you in the next one.